How to join FPL League with codes. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Fantasy Premier League. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is head over to Fantasy at the bottom. Now in here, scroll down and inside Leagues and Cups, the option of Join League will be visible to you. Simply head over to it and then it will land you on this page. Over here, you will be able to see two different options. One is private and the other is public. If you want to join a public league, then you need to head over to public and then choose classic or head-to-head and then tap on join a league. As you're looking forward on joining a league with a code, head over to private. Now in this section, you simply have to enter the code that you have. Once you have entered, tap on join a league and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can join FPL League with code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.